This is a video of how to properly shoot a basketball. Doing these steps will help you improve. This is all wrong. You need to have proper hand placement and put your dominant hand under the ball and your other hand on the side. Chris's elbow is wrong too. You should keep it in so the shot is more accurate. Make sure to flick your wrist when shooting and follow through after your shot. You also have to bend your knees while you're shooting. This will generate more power on the shot. Look how much better his shot is now. With proper form, you'll be a much better player. So remember to have proper hand placement, keep your elbow in, bend your knees, flick your wrist, and follow through with your shot.